Hello, good day. My name is Marvin Lester Regosa, student of UP Open University taking a Bachelor of Arts in Multimedia Studies. I made a screencast video for my subject in MMS 141 Principles of Programming. Today I'm going to show you how I made this app using the App Inventor website. Let me show you first how my app works. Okay, I'm gonna type my name, then my age. Oops, sorry. There you go. I call this app Talk to Me app because it talks to you whenever you put your name and age. Okay. I don't know if you can hear this app talk, but I'm gonna press Talk to Me right now. Okay. Did you heard it? It says that hi Marvin, hello Marvin. When are you getting married? It says, and don't forget to invite me again. Let's try again. Hello Marvin. When I'm getting married, don't forget to invite me. Okay. So that's it. Now I'm gonna press reset to clear the name and the age. Basically, that's how my app works. Now I'm gonna show you how I made it. How will I use it? Come on. Here's look at it. First, I get a component, text box, two text box, and I name it as name box for my name, and then age box for my age. I would also a label below which box is it belong. So enter your name is for name box and enter is for the age box. And I also put two buttons, the talk to me button and the reset button. That's all my visible components for my app, and I have a non-visible component which is a text to speech, which allows my app to talk whenever I ask it to talk. Because whenever you press the talk to me button, it talks to you. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I did it and how I'm gonna also show you how does the talk to me button works. When does it call to talk or when does it call to not. Okay, now let's press blocks, the blocks tab in App Inventor. Sorry, I have a cold, slight cold. Okay, here. Basically, I get the when talk to me button click do. I get that from this block from the talk to me button. That's where I get. Okay, that's my main block, my program. I get that and I put it here outside. Look, if I remove that, that's how it looks. Then I put some adjustments. I want to put the text to speech rate to 1 to get to set text to speech rate. You click this text to speech and then scroll down and then you're gonna look for speech rate there and then get some math block which allows you to put any number you want to like. I put it like that. And after I set my text to speech rate and pitch, I now program program. I mean the app. Sorry. So I use the control blocks, the if then, As you can see here, that's my secondary block that I put all my conditions in that block. So as you can see, let me zoom out so that you can see it better. There you go. As you can see, my secondary block is if then. And inside that if then condition block, I put four more if then conditions. So I put H box. If in my secondary if block, I put if H box text is not equal to 1000, then then what will the program do? Here's the program works. I put another if then block inside that says that if H box is greater than 110, then call text to speech. That's where talk to me app enters because it calls text to speech. Whatever the H box says, whatever the user it put in the H box and the name will say everything that is written there. So I put call text to speech. Then my message was this hello and then name box. I use the name box block so that it will get the name of that of the user. Whatever the user put in the name box, the app will say it. So we can get that from here, name box text. That's the text. So where do I get this join message block? You can get it here in join. Basically, the join block only caters to two phrases or two sentences that you would like to put. If you would like to add more, just press this blue setting button and then put the string under that. Inside, you can add as many as you like. Okay, but for me, but for the sake of this program, I just needed to add one more because I only need three sentences or three words joined together. So whenever the age box or the age of the user is greater than 110, then the app will say hello name box. As for me, my name is Marvin. Hello Marvin. I knew it. I've been waiting for this day. Vampires really do exist. I put some mark, exclamation point in the front of I knew it because I want the app to give exclamation to my name, to the name whichever whatever the name is inputted. That's why I put it like that. So like that. So you can see I put another condition below that if then condition again, but the 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 numbers are different. It says here that I put it this way: if H box text is less than 100, less than or equal to 109, then call text to speech and it will say hello again name box and then amazing you're almost as old as my grandparents. But if you're and then I put another if then condition so that all ages, age brackets from 0 to 10, 0 to 100, actually it's 0 to 1000, can be catered by our app. So it says here that if age box text is less than or equal to 35, then the text to speech or the app will say, "Hello, name box. When you are getting married, don't forget to invite me." So below that, another if then condition, it says that if age box is less than 20, then call text to speech and speak, "Hello, name box. Really, you're still young. Enjoy your youth days." Okay. So as you can see, in this first condition, the if then condition, from 0 to 20, actually it's 0 to 19 because I did not put less than or equal, I just put less than. I just click the less than. So it's 0 to 19. If the user is 0 to 19, the app will say to the user, "You are still young." But if he or she is 20 years old and above up to 35 years old, it will say, "When are you getting married, don't forget to invite me." Okay? And so on. So this whole when talk to me button click, this is the whole program for that. But what does the reset button do? Remember we have a reset button we put here. As you can see, I'm going to discuss to you what does that do. So here, for the reset button to work, we need to put condition statement that the button will do whenever it is been clicked by the user. So you can get this when button one click, you can get that button one blocks there. You can put there, and then it says here that whenever the reset button will be clicked, it will set the name box to blank. You can get that set name box text to in the name box. Set name box to text block. Just scroll down. There you go. You're gonna pull that out and then you're gonna put it here. And then you're gonna put the text, blank text block, put it there, and then you're gonna leave it as blank. The same thing goes for the H box. You set it as blank, and then I'll just extra function. Whenever the reset button was clicked, it will hide the keyboard of the user. So that's it, basically. That's how my app works. It's very simple, yet very entertaining. So where does this blue background come from? Well, basically I just change it here in the designer block. Just click this background color, you can change it to black. I can change it to cyan, I don't know what is the name, and I can change it to pink. But I like cyan. And that's it. So I think that's it. See you on my next video about my next app that I made. Okay, bye. God bless.